Good evening, everyone. I'm Harshit, your tech host, and welcome to the Daily Tech News Bulletin brought to you by IT Voice. In today's news, we will be covering news about Dell Technologies Forum 2023 in Bangalore, OpenAI's governance structure, and Microsoft's influence Meta's Quest 3 via Google's S3 issue, HTC's Vive Ultimate Tracker announcement, and more. To skip to any particular news story, use the chapters below. And don't forget to subscribe to IT Voice and stay up to date on all the latest tech news. Google DeepMind utilizes artificial intelligence to predict structures of over 2 million new materials, with potential to enhance real-world technologies. Alphabet-owned AI firm publishes research paper in Nature starting nearly 4 lakh hypothetical materials could soon be produced in lab conditions. Breakthrough could impact the production of better performing batteries, solar panels, and computer chips, improving efficiency. DeepMind's AI trained on data from the Materials Project, an international research group founded at the Lawrence Berkeley National Laboratory in 2011, plans to share data with the research community to accelerate further breakthroughs in material discovery. Next, we have Palestinians face challenges accessing global tech platforms like YouTube, Amazon, and PayPal, limiting their ability to monetize content or conduct businesses. Restrictions stem from region-specific policies and a lack of localized versions of platforms, exacerbating the problem. Frequent internet outages in the region compound the issue, disrupting access to online resources and economic markets. YouTube is available but locks Palestinians out of its revenue sharing program, hindering their ability to earn from it. Challenges in identity verification and payment collection impede access to Google's revenue generating tools and PayPal services. Restrictions to e-commerce platforms like Amazon limit Palestinians' access to economic markets impacted by Israeli occupation. Dell Technologies Forum 2023 in Bangalore, a flagship event prioritizing digital transformation, attracts over 1,100 in-person and 4,000 virtual attendees. Focus on multi-cloud, edge, security, future of work, and IT infrastructure modernization. Alok Hoeri, President and Managing Director of Dell Technologies India, emphasizes the role of technology in fostering innovation across industries. Trailblazer Fireside Chat with Manish Gupta, Vice President of Dell Technologies India, and Manoj Chugh, award-winning leader and distinguished IIT alumnus. Event showcases Dell's Customer Solutions Center (CSC) Innovation Lab, providing a setting for organizations to assess and implement digital solutions. PhonePe partners with Dell and NTT to launch a Green Data Center aiming to facilitate digital transactions and reduce carbon footprint. OpenAI, creator of ChatGPT, unlikely to offer a board seat to Microsoft and other investors including Thrive Capital, Sequoia Capital, and Khosla Ventures. Microsoft's significant investment in OpenAI, over $10 billion and a 49% stake, yet virtually no influence due to OpenAI's unique governance structure. Recent events involving the ousting and rehiring of CEO Sam Altman leading to changes in the company's board. OpenAI's refusal to give investor a board seat indicates a prioritization of security practices over investor returns. Small cap IT company Datamatic Global Service Limited sees a 6% share increase following its AI partnership with Image1. Company offers intelligent automation solutions such as TrueCap Plus Intelligent Document Processing (IDP) and TrueBot Robotic Process Automation (RPA). Success in automating manual processes leads to increased scalability, reduced cost, and improved business efficiency. Q2 FY24 sees a 10% increase in revenue to Rs 377 crore and a 26.6% increase in net profits. Multi-bagger return of 102.29% in a year, making shares worth 2.05 lakhs. Next, we have Meta halts shipment of Quest 3 VR goggles wearable battery / head strap accessory due to reports of the device breaking itself when charged. $130 accessory advertised to make the headset more comfortable and extend VR adventures by an extra 2 hours. Meta confirms firmware issues causing the accessory to die after charging, leading to a reworking of the device. Meta to replace units on a case-by-case basis, and users report problems with third-party USB-C cables and chargers. Meta stops short of issuing a recall, possibly due to the varied failure modes of lithium-ion batteries. Now, at last, HTC officially announces the Vive Ultimate Tracker with technical limitations at launch. Ultimate trackers track themselves, eliminating the need for external tracking stations. Weighing 94 grams, measuring 77 into 58.6 into 27.3 mm with a 7-hour battery life and proprietary USB-C dongle supporting a 9-meter range. Uses two wide-angle FOV cameras for 6 DOF inside-out tracking, ideal for mobile VR/AR headsets. Connects to the Vive XR Elite or Vive Focus 3 via USB-C dongle, allowing up to 5 ultimate trackers per headset. Support for OpenXR and Steam VR based PC VR headset planned in the near future. Available until 31st December 2023 on Vive.com. This is Harshit signing off. Stay tuned and subscribe to IT Voice for the latest tech news. हेलो दोस्तों, क्या आपने अपने डिवाइस में कभी DCIM नाम का फोल्डर देखा है और सोचा है ये क्या होता है? DCIM का फुल फॉर्म है डिजिटल कैमरा इमेजेस। ये एक स्टैंडर्ड फोल्डर स्ट्रक्चर है जो आपके डिजिटल कैमरा या स्मार्टफोन से ली गई फोटोज और वीडियोस को स्टोर करता है। तो अगली बार जब आप अपनी फाइल्स को ब्राउज करेंगे तो आपको पता होगा DCIM का क्या मतलब होता है। सब्सक्राइब बटन को क्लिक करना मत भूलना। फॉर मोर टेक इनसाइट्स मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट शॉट में।